lunch this afternoon is some wild rice with red and white quinoa. Some of these green cauliflower I pick up from the organic shop, and some different types of kale. There is the kale that I know, or that we know. Okay, there is another kale, and there is another kale. Look at this. Nature is so kind. Nature is so diverse. So what I'm going to achieve today with this, I'm going to break a couple of eggs into this and serve it up with some yummy spicy sauce. Okay, so let's go. I have some organic eggs here. Okay, now we're going to eat this with the look at this. All right, then let's get that shell out. Get out shell. Just using one hand today. My one hand is multitasking. Okay, too lazy to put this on the stand. Okay, so one hand on the camera, one on the and a little bit of sea salt, just a little bit to flavor. I haven't added anything yet. Oh, I put a little bit of the broth that I have in the fridge. I've been keeping that broth in the fridge for meals like this. So if you already have a broth, chicken broth, veggie broth, or whatever type of broth you make, you can add it onto this type of dish, and that will add some immense flavor into what you're cooking. So there we are, and I'm going to serve it up and give you the final reveal. There's plenty of ginger and garlic in this as well, I might add. OMG. And now I'm going to taste this green cauliflower. I've been told that this cauliflower is actually more delicious. It's a cross between the white cauliflower and the broccoli. What should we call it then? Cauliflower. Brock flour. I don't know. Anyway. Wow. I'm going to switch off. I have switched off the fire. I can testify that this cauliflower, thank you to my supplier. I've only had a nibble of the taste from this pan. It's already delicious. So everything in this, a little bit of the coconut oil, just a tiny bit, some ginger and garlic, some chicken broth that I have in the fridge, 2 eggs, and all of these vegetable. And you can also add any type of protein into this, which I've already put pieces of the meat from the fridge, grilled tiny pieces in there with the 2 eggs, and hopefully my quinoa and the white rice has absorbed all of the flavor of this deliciousness. And I'm going to add some spicy sauce on the side. So come with me as I talking. Thanks for watching. Guys, let me know what you can do or what you will do if you have these vegetables in your pantry. Okay, all of these veggies in your pantry. I even have more vegetables apart from this, more that just arrived in the order only just yesterday. So hopefully this will all be eaten up soon. Okay, so let me know what you will do with this type of vegetable. These look like ornamental cabbage leaves, but these are called kale from the organic shop online. Look at that. I love that they're all different. And I've also got the what was the name of this? The here guys, is once, let me show you. Look that I've also got all of this. Okay, these are all going to go into meals, you know, day after day for this week. I'll let you know how I get on. Okay, so this is the rainbow chard, Swiss rainbow chard, and I've got some in my trough that I all also plant. And wait for it, there's one more vegetables. If you're not eating your veggies, guys, you have no excuse. I'm eating mine, so please get on the veggie wagons. Okay, look at that. This is, who knows what that is? Come on, guys. What do we call this? This is the spring green. This is the spring green. You mostly might see it in the shop, chopped up already, you know, shredded. This is what spring green look like. So these are all different types of vegetables that I buy week in, week out. Hopefully, and as you've seen, I've made this lunch, dinner, brunch. You can have this for breakfast if you want, you know. So you use the vegetables from morning till night. So how to use your vegetable from morning till night? This is one example, and what vegetables you should stock up on. Anyway, so I hope someone is inspired or encouraged to keep eating their vegetables. You take care, guys. Goodbye. While I go and enjoy this before it gets cold. Bye-bye.